Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access calendar by clicking on it. It should be over here somewhere. There it is. Now click on this icon at the bottom right corner and just got it. Then you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. After that, tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner, select event and adjust it however you wish to. For example, you can title it, pick starting and ending hour, or turn off this feature completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day, select location, tap on while using the app or only this time, type in an address or city or wherever. I will go with that one, and set up notifications minutes, hours, or even weeks before. You can also take notes, and when you're ready, choose save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. You can always edit it though by tapping on it, clicking on this better icon at the top right corner and making your changes. Then tap on save at the top right corner again. And in order to delete your event, click on it one more time, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner. Select delete and confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!